Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by making the controller discoverable. Press and hold the pairing button until the LED flashes. Once visible, open your device Bluetooth settings and pair Octopus Gamepad. Make sure the battery is above 50% so pairing won't drop. If the manufacturer supplies a companion app, install it now and allow the requested permissions. This enables mapping and firmware updates. After pairing, open the app and confirm the controller appears. Once done, you're ready to move into calibration and mapping. Now you'll calibrate and map controls to match your playstyle. In the app, run stick and trigger calibration, center the sticks and push full range when prompted. That ensures accurate input. Then create a profile or load a template and assign buttons or macros where needed. Use transitions to change profiles for different games. Fine-tune dead zones and sensitivity curves so small movements don't misfire. Finally, set vibration and polling rate. Higher rates reduce latency but may eat battery, so choose the right balance for you. You finish by validating everything in a test environment. Launch a diagnostics tool or a game training mode and press every control to confirm correct mapping and response. Once satisfied, save the profile to the controller's memory or cloud and assign a quick switch if supported so you can change setups instantly. If something goes wrong, start by rebooting the controller and repairing, then check for a firmware update, and only if necessary perform a factory reset. This resolves most persistent mapping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.